Hi friends, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of grayed out on the application of Messenger. You will go to settings. Here you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above you will search about the application of Messenger and you will click here. Then in this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end you can turn off your phone and you can restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your attention.